Here's a list of stuff from kinda magical to unbelievably magical. Body wash that's also shampoo. Mentos and cola. Things that fly. With your help, the magical is about to get magical-er. Meet Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He loves things that fly. He once tried to turn his car into an airplane. No success. Shai always said that his dream was to bring the joy of flight to everyone. A few years ago, he made a breakthrough in the field of cool stuff that flies. He invented the Powerup, the first electric paper airplane. But then a friend of Shai's told him, "Nice gadget, really, but you can't make a remote-controlled paper airplane." Shai took a moment to think and said, "Challenge accepted." 2 years of research and 57 prototypes later, he made it happen. Meet Shai's unbelievably magical invention, Powerup 3, the first ever smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Using state-of-the-art technology, Powerup 3 turns your embarrassing paper plane into a lean, mean flying machine. Just fold a piece of copy paper into a plane, attach Powerup 3 and install the app. Now call your mom and tell her you're a pilot, cause it works out of the box. In the back of the module are a propeller and a rudder that are in charge of controlling the plane. In the front, there's an advanced chip with powerful Bluetooth smart technology for an amazing 60 yards of controlled flight and a tiny rechargeable battery to power this amazing beast. Out of juice? Charge the battery with any micro USB cable. As Shai learned in his career as a pilot, planes should be built for flying and for crashing. That's why all components of the Powerup 3 are super durable and crash-proof. But here's where Shai made it really cool. Powerup 3's smart chip is programmed to optimize user happiness. You don't need a PhD in aeronautics to be able to fly it.
It's not actually a hoverboard, but it'll feel like one if you learn how to master it. I'm here with Robert Bigler, the founder of Hoverboard Technologies. So what is this device? How does it work?
Well, the hoverboard is a one-wheeled platform, similar to a skateboard, that has a motor in the wheel that reacts to very, very subtle tilting of the board. So it delivers the electronically delivers the experience of like surfing on land.
So let's give it a shot. So the hoverboard is a little tough to ride. Was that the plan?
Yeah, the hoverboard it's like a sport, and it's an electronic vehicle, and it looks so easy to ride. The big deception about the hoverboard is when you see people riding it elegantly and smoothly, that everyone thinks they can just jump on the hoverboard and ride away. But it's not that way. It's an earned experience. It's similar to learning how to one ski, water ski, or learning how to snowboard. But after that, it's a phenomenal one.
So it's fun, and it's actually a little bit more maybe rewarding because it's not easy enough for anyone. It's almost like a hipster hoverboard. So who do you expect to sell this to?
There's really nothing really like this in the marketplace. It's someone who wants a challenge, a physical challenge, but also someone who can afford about like half a jet ski, someone who identifies with the thrill of kind of land-based sport.
The hoverboard will show up on Kickstarter on September 17th, and it'll finish its campaign on October 21st, which is actually the date when Marty McFly went to the future to try his real hoverboard that got everyone so excited about this thing.